Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you 5 signs that your YouTube channel is crushing it. Doing a great job, probably even better than you think. These are experiences from my own journey, and if you stay with me to the end of the video, I've got some extra pro tips, and I'll share with you what I wish I knew when I first started. You can learn from my mistakes. You do not want to miss this. Let me know in the comment section what stands out most for you. So the first sign that your YouTube channel is crushing it is when you find that you have retention, that people are watching more than usual. If you look at your analytics in your back office, you'll see that. As a matter of fact, I want you to notice this. Be aware where it says top moment. If you don't have a top moment yet, just keep going. You'll get a video with the top moment. But click into that top moment, and what you'll see is there's a graph that shows up. It'll be highlighted in blue, and it'll show that this is where people watched more than usual. There was a segment where people didn't click away from your video. And in fact, YouTube will show you. It says it right there. Nice work. This video has a part that kept your viewers watching for longer than usual. So be aware of those top moments. Anytime you have retention where people are watching more than usual, you're crushing it. You're doing a great job. One of the main goals is to get people on the platform, keeping them there for longer than usual. As a matter of fact, here's another one. And they gave me this notification in the back office. This showed up on one of my videos. It says, great job. Views are 2.5 times more than usual, and you got more likes than usual. So they'll actually tell you when you're doing a great job. And a lot of us, we really don't know that. And we think about what other people may say. And what has helped me is to not go by what other people think. Always trust your analytics. Your analytics is the YouTube system. YouTube's main goal is to get people on the platform watching, building up that watch time. And one of the ways that I've learned on my channel is to know that your YouTube channel, even if you're small, you're doing a great job. You're actually crushing it better than you think. Is when your retention graph shows that people are watching more, staying on the platform longer than usual. That's a great sign that you're doing greater than you think. Even better than what you think, and you're actually crushing it. The second sign that your YouTube channel is doing great is confetti. I love this one because I'll never forget when I first saw that show up in my back office. And what I've learned to do on my journey is to realize that you've earned it. You have actually earned that, rewarding your success with confetti. You've earned it. You put in the time. You deserve it. One of my favorite affirmations says, I love to celebrate my accomplishments. I always acknowledge myself for a job well done. So check out this. Go to your dashboard in your back office, and once you click into your dashboard, check that out. See the confetti? That'll pop up as a 1 out of 10. This one actually has a 1 out of 7 because it's from my other YouTube channel, Next Level Publishing. I only had 7 videos at that time, so it was a 1 out of 7. But you'll see it shows up 1 out of 10. Confetti will pop up. This is a great sign that you are doing better than you even think. You're actually crushing it, doing a great job. So the next time you think about how your channel is doing, maybe you didn't get as many views as you would like to have gotten. And so I want to encourage you. I want to inspire you. If you haven't gotten that confetti yet, keep on going. You'll get it. If you haven't seen that top moment yet, keep on going. It will happen if you don't give up. And the third sign that YouTube is telling you you're doing a great job is when they start to increase your impressions. Now, for those of you who may be new, anytime your thumbnail shows up is an impression. It may show on a home page, it may show in search, it may show in someone's playlist, it may show with notifications. Anytime your thumbnail shows up in front of a viewer for, I think they said for a second or at least 1 second, that's considered an impression. So this is what you do. Go to reach, click into that reach right there, and it'll show you how many impressions you've gotten. Now this one right here, I started to feel a little bad at first because if you look at it, it only had 554 impressions. So I started to be like, they're not really showing my video to a lot of people. But as I began to grow and as I began to put these principles into practice, I started noticing they would increase my impressions. Here's another one right here, over 3,000 impressions. So anytime you notice that you're getting more impressions than usual, that's when you're doing a great job. Even if you're a small channel, that's when you're crushing it. That's when you're doing a great job. Even better than you think. YouTube starts to increase those impressions. They're like advertisements. They're showing people on the platform your thumbnail. So once you start seeing yourself getting those impressions, they start to increase. That's a great sign, and that you're doing even better than you think. And before we go to this next one, I just want to take some time and say thank you for being a subscriber, always coming back, viewing my channel, the Cash App donations, hitting the like button, leaving comments. All of that engagement really means a lot. Wouldn't be the same without you. And if this is your first time on this channel and you want to be empowered on a regular basis with great music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Love to have you as a part of Next Level community. And the fourth sign that your YouTube channel is doing even better than you think, YouTube will start showing you different emojis for your achievements. In your back office, you'll see different signs just like that. This is their way of saying you're doing a great job. This is their way of saying keep up the great work. It's their way of saying thank you for getting people on the platform. Thank you for keeping people on their platform, viewing their videos, checking out their advertisements. That's how they make their money. So if you check out yours and you see something like this, new achievement, 50 hours of watch time, people are spending more time watching your videos. These are notifications that you will see in your back office. YouTube is telling you you're doing a great job. You're actually crushing it even better than you think. So keep that in mind as you continue your YouTube journey, as you begin to grow. Always go by what YouTube is telling you. Never really go by what other people are saying. I had someone a minute ago leave me a comment on my video, and it wasn't negative. It was just about my editing. And I said, let me check it out and see what's going on. But I had to compare that to the analytics. And according to the analytics, I was probably doing a whole lot better than I was thinking. So that is the fourth sign. That is another sign when they start showing you these different emojis in your back office, letting you know you're on point right where you need to be for right now. And the fifth sign that your YouTube channel is crushing it is when you're starting to see that your actual results is better than your typical results. One of my goals is to make sure that my next video is my best video. Remember those electric meters they used to have back in the day? Last month you used this amount, and this month you're using that amount. It's kind of in that same way. They'll show you your typical versus your usual. So check this out. This is another graph from my back office. If you go into your analytics, and I want you to remember that see more. We're going to talk about seeing more in a minute. It'll show you that gray is your typical performance and that blue is your actual performance. And on this one, as you can see, I didn't really get what I usually typically get. So I started feeling bad at first. But then there's a see more. Check out that see more button. If you click see more, it'll take you to what is called relative retention. That is, how does your video do comparing it to other videos all across YouTube with the same length? And when I clicked into that, it showed that I was way above average. If you click into see more, it'll show you your retention compared to other videos of similar length on the channel. So check this out. This is how your video is doing when they compare it to other videos of similar length across the channel. And as you can see, it's above average and way above average in other places, even high in other areas, way above average. So I didn't feel as bad because I realized compared to other videos of similar length, this video is doing better than what I thought. So keep that in mind as you go through your YouTube journey. You always want to compare your typical with your actual, and you want to click into see more, and it finds out that you're probably doing better than you think, if you think about it. I remember one time I was looking at some of my comparisons and I realized that every video is going to be different. So I never want to base the success of my channel on one video. But that's another sign that your YouTube channel is crushing it. Even if you're small, you're doing better than you think. And of course, you always want to check that out with the relative to see how are you doing compared to other videos of the same length across the whole platform of YouTube. That's one thing that has helped me in my journey. So put that into practice and keep that in mind as you continue to grow and take your YouTube channel to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to go to the next level in our mindset, YouTube journeys, finances, anything we do, next level mindset. That's where it's at. Now I've got an extra pro tip and I'm going to share with you what I wish I knew before I started out. First, going over to Spotify, stream my brand new single. It's out right now everywhere your music is streamed. It's called Nobody. You can get it on the Amazon site. Put that on your favorite Spotify playlist. Do that with the links in the description. If you've enjoyed this so far and it's brought you value, do me a favor and hit that like button for the algorithm. Thank you. Appreciate that. So this first bonus point deals with the idea of taking breaks. Every now and then things come up and we have to take a break from our channels. And I want to encourage you. Sometimes you just have to take that break and get yourself refreshed. I've learned to do that, to allow people to miss me sometimes. Every now and then you might just want to allow your viewers to miss you. Give them a chance to take a break from you. You could take a break from them. I wouldn't recommend taking too long of a break, but every now and then there's nothing wrong, and a lot of times we take ourselves so serious. And I think that's so important because as content creators, you know, we have to find that creative child within. We have to find that playful spirit and have fun with it. Never take yourself so serious. I remember one time I was recording a video. Actually, I thought I was recording. I went through the whole video and forgot to press record. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever done that? Where you forgot to press the record button? But instead of getting upset about it, I just said, hey, that was a great practice run. I can do even better than that. And I just started over and said, let's do this for real this time. So keep that in mind. Never take yourself so serious. The second bonus point that I want to share with you, it has to deal with the idea of things that I'm learning along my journey. When I think about where I used to be and now after I've learned a few things in life, certain things that I could take and put into practice. If I knew then what I knew now. As a matter of fact, I want you to check out this video right here, what I wish I knew starting out small on YouTube. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. We'll talk again over there. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, or the thumbs down if you didn't. Either way, thanks for watching. My name is Stevon. It's been great hanging out with you. Stay blessed. Stay positive. Remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.